very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when the path ahead is not clear. Ladies and gentlemen, every human life carries a quiet impulse to move forward, to grow, to contribute, to live with meaning. Yet there are moments when the path ahead does not reveal itself. Direction feels veiled, decisions hesitate, and certainty appears delayed. This moment is not a failure of judgment. It is a designed interval, as natural and necessary as night before dawn. Life unfolds through layered complexity. Biology, emotion, aspiration, and circumstances intersect continuously. Modern science observes that the human system seeks coherence before decisive movement. When coherence is incomplete, clarity does not arise. This is not malfunction, it is intelligence at work. The cosmos never operates through force, it moves through rhythm. Stars are born only when pressure, space, temperature, and time reach precise thresholds. Cells divide only when conditions are exact. Seasons shift not by demand but by alignment. Human life follows the same architecture. Change is not released by urgency. It is released by readiness. When energy is insufficient, action fragments. When understanding is partial, effort disperses. Therefore, life installs a safeguard, uncertainty, to prevent premature motion. An unclear path is not absence of guidance. It is guidance inviting integration. Clarity emerges when inner elements synchronize. Energy stabilizes, intent matures, perception sharpens. At that moment, illumination does not arrive dramatically. It simply turns on. What's the way forward? When the path is not clear, the invitation is not to force direction, but to deepen alignment. Pause becomes productive. Silence becomes preparatory. Trust becomes structural. Energy gathers quietly through learning, observation, patience, and sincerity. Faith does not demand certainty. It maintains orientation. Then action arises, not anxiously, not forcefully, but naturally. One step becomes visible. Only after that step is taken, the next reveals itself. This is rhythm. Even the glorious, majestic and revealed sun does not witnesses the full arc of the year. It does not calculate seasons or anticipate destinations. Each day it moves by an almost invisible measure, steady, precise and unconflicted. The sun's power comes from fidelity to its own rhythm. By preparing fully for today's movement alone, it creates seasons, sustains life and defines time itself. The sun never rushes clarity. It becomes clarity through steadiness. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the path ahead is not clear, life is not withholding direction. It is assembling coherence. What feels like waiting is alignment in progress. What feels like uncertainty is intelligence protecting momentum. And when action comes, it arrives whole, energized, aligned, and quietly powerful. As Lord Krishna offers profound reassurance in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, one who walks in inner rightness is never led to loss. Clarity does not need to be chased. It rises when the inner sun is ready to shine. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.